guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I purchased another chicken picnic table, a treat table for my girls. Do you want to see what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I purchased another one of these tables and I thought I would show you just to show you again what it looks like brand new. A lot of you that follow my chicken videos and stuff, that you love seeing them eat off of the table. I did not need to purchase another one. I just want to throw that out there really quick. These are made super well. The wood and everything that they use is absolutely amazing because the last one, it's lasted about 3 years. The wood has not tried to like decay, swell, change, warp, or anything like that. Either way, I threw it out and I bought a new one. These are $45 at the shop. I'll list the Etsy shop down below if you would like to go take a look. You can purchase it in so many different finishes. They stain it for you and everything. I really love, for one, it comes completely protected. I'll show you exactly how I opened it. So every layer of wood on here is completely wrapped in bubble wrap. There's a handwritten card. I'm telling you, attention to detail. This company definitely knows how to package and design products. There's 2 of these stakes if you would like to use those to secure it down. You stick them right about there in both those little eye hook things. But yes, this is how it is completely protected, and this is how it looks with all of the bubble wrap off. They even take the time to put this really cute bow. The very first time it wasn't a pink one, so it just probably depends on what color they have, but it is definitely wrapped and the presentation is stunning. Like, a lot of people don't really do stuff like that. You purchase something and it's like, here you go. But they take the time to actually make it look really nice. I mean, look at that. Look at the presentation to receive it. That is beautiful. And I've never sold on Etsy. I only bought on Etsy. So it must say if somebody's like a repeat customer, because I got that card on top and it said, thank you for, like your repeat business. And I'm like, oh, how did they know? So it must tell them like I've ordered before. But either way, the only reason why I did purchase a new one is because where this has been for the last 3 years, it just gets constant water on it. Like anytime it rains, it storms, or anything like that, everything just gets soaking wet. There is let me actually take this is so cute, but I know I can't leave it on there. Let me just take this off so I can show you a better image of the actual table so you can see how it's constructed. And that's another reason why I bought this one originally, because there were so many other ones out there that didn't take this extra time, like this extra steps, I guess you would say, in making this. So let me grab my scissors. Okay, so for one, this is a large size. Again, doing my research originally, a lot of them were a lot smaller. I just thought this would be a better area just to get all my girls around the table. Everything is just totally secured, 100%. It's made to order. So again, you choose the stain that you want and then they make it, they stain it, and then they ship it to you. So it did take maybe 2 weeks or something like that, but I was totally fine waiting because I know it's made to order and then you have time for shipping and all of that. So they also put these 2 little, let me see if I can show you this way. Yes, one here and one here. And they give you the little stakes if you wanted just to stake it down. I actually have my man drill something on the bricks, and then we use a zip tie to secure it down, just so when my girls stand on one side, it doesn't like lift up or something, because some of the chickens are pretty heavy. But the main focus on this table that I absolutely love is that they put a screen here on the top, and if you can see all of those holes, that's all drainage holes. So with me, what had happened was, again, this is constantly getting wet. So any food or anything that was left on the table would just get wet and just soggy. And it ended up like filling in these holes and getting underneath this grate. Now I probably could have taken a screwdriver and taken this grate off and cleaned it, and it would have been 100%. And that's probably what I should have did. But again, they've had that thing for so long and it just constantly kept getting wet and wet and wet and wet, that I just wanted to start with a new one and move it where hopefully it will not get wet this time. So again, I really didn't need to purchase a new one. I just wanted to purchase a new one, and I just love how well these are made. So I had to go back to the same company. I ordered the same color and everything. So I'm just super, super thrilled with this. If you would like to see how this is set up and watch my girls enjoy their treats on this table, then here you go. So first my man used this drill bit and he pre-drilled the holes, and then now he's just going to screw down the little bracket for me to attach the table to. Okay, so the table is down. We actually got them a new coop, so I had to wait so I knew where we could put it. And then he just went ahead and attached that bracket, and we secured it with a zip tie, and it's completely secure. They're not going to be able to knock it over or anything. So let's go ahead and get them some treats. It's been a long time since they've had a treat table in here, and I'm sure they're going to love to have some treats. They're all just hanging out, relaxing right now. Hey, be nice. Hey, Shadow. You guys want some treats? Okay, so they are all patient, well, not really patiently waiting for their treats. Here is their table. What you gonna do, Oreo? Woo! Whoa! Girl, come here, babies. They're interested in that, the little bit that I spilled when she jumped up at me. Whoa. Let's see, the table does not tip over because it's completely secure. And I'm glad I put it over here and not over here where it was, because now it will not be getting wet. It'll stay nice and dry. Okay, you guys, so that is them enjoying their treats on their treat table. I'm sure they were missing that table for the last few weeks since it hasn't been there, but they are super, super glad to have it now back. Literally, they'll stand on the table waiting like, where's my treats? That's my girls. They are definitely spoiled. So that is what I wanted to show for this particular video. Again, I wanted to show you the table, how it comes, just because even the first time it came just like this with the best presentation, and I'm like, that is just the attention to detail. That little bit of time really, really means a whole lot to the person receiving it. And so this company definitely does that. So that is now everything for this particular video. Again, they will be listed down below in the description box if you want to go check them out. You can choose your own color. You won't be disappointed. These are amazing. And again, just the way that it is constructed, even like the way they bevel this out for like the sides and everything. I mean, look at all of that attention to all of those details. This is the best treat table, hands down, in my opinion. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.